Hello, welcome to our channel A World Cuisine. Today we continue exploring new flavors in this series of 500 air fryer recipe videos. Let's get started. Air fryer garlic parmesan chicken skewers. Yields for serving. Prep time, 15 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Ingredients: 2 pounds. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 2-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. 2½ teaspoons kosher salt divided. 2 teaspoons garlic powder divided. 3/4 c. 1½ sticks unsalted butter melted. 1/2 c. fresh Italian parsley finely chopped. 1/4 c. finely grated Parmesan. Directions: trim skewers so they fit into air fryer basket if needed. Soak in water at least 30 minutes to prevent burning. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, toss chicken, oil, Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder until coated. Thread chicken onto skewers, about 6 pieces per skewer. Working in batches if needed, arrange skewers in air fryer basket in a single layer, spacing about 1/2 inch apart. Air fry at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix butter, parsley, Parmesan, and remaining 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Flip skewers, generously brush with garlic herb butter, and continue to air fry until browned, cooked though, and an instant read thermometer inserted into thickest part of chicken registers 165 degrees, about 4 minutes more. Generously brush skewers with garlic herb butter and arrange on a platter. Serve with remaining garlic herb butter alongside. Fast, easy recipe. Family loved it. Next, air fryer potatoes. Yields for serving. Prep time 5 minutes. Total time 25 minutes. Cal/serve 123. Ingredients: 1 pound baby potatoes halved. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, optional. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Lemon wedge for serving. Freshly chopped parsley for garnish. Directions: in a large bowl, toss potatoes with oil, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and Cajun seasoning if using. Season with salt and pepper. Place potatoes in basket of air fryer and cook at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Shake basket and stir potatoes and cook until potatoes are golden and tender, 8 to 10 minutes more. Squeeze lemon juice over cooked potatoes and garnish with parsley before serving. Next, air fryer chicken Parmesan. Yields for serving. Prep time 10 minutes. Total time 50 minutes. Ingredients: 2 8-ounces boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 1/3 c. all-purpose flour. 2 large eggs. 1 c. panko breadcrumbs. 1/4 c. finely grated Parmesan. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 c. store-bought or homemade marinara. 1 c. shredded mozzarella. Chopped fresh parsley for serving. Next, air fryer cauliflower tacos. Yields for serving. Prep time 25 minutes. Total time 1 hour 10 minutes. Ingredients: for the slaw, 1 c. thinly sliced red cabbage. 1/2 small red onion diced. 1 jalapeno minced. 1 clove garlic minced. Juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Pinch kosher salt. For the cauliflower, 1½ c. all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 1½ c. almond milk or other non-dairy milk. 1½ c. panko breadcrumbs. 1 medium head cauliflower cut into bite-sized florets. Cooking spray. For serving, 1/2 c. vegan mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons sriracha. 1 teaspoon maple syrup. Con tortillas. Sliced avocado. Freshly chopped cilantro. Lime wedges. Directions. In a medium bowl, combine slaw ingredients. Let sit while prepping tacos, stirring every so often. In a medium bowl, combine flour and spices, and season well with salt and pepper. Add almond milk and stir to combine. Mixture should be thick, but still easy to dip cauliflower into. Add a little more milk if needed. Place panko into small bowl. Dip florets into milk mixture, wiping any excess off, then toss in panko. Working in batches, place coated cauliflower into basket of air fryer and spray with cooking spray. Cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, stopping about halfway through to toss and spray with more cooking spray. In a small bowl, combine vegan mayonnaise, sriracha and maple syrup. Assemble tacos. On a tortilla top with cooked cauliflower, avocado, pickled slaw, cilantro, and a drizzle of sriracha mayo. In the video description, you will find links to the best air fryers on Amazon. This video was created with Mutayon. In the video description, you will find the link to create videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell.